Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Olga from Manchester Wax. Today we are going to test the runtime of the new Dyson V10. Dyson are quoting a figure of 60 minutes runtime in their advertising. What we are less keen to mention is, with a floor head on and in max mode, that runtime is reduced to around 6 minutes. As there is some debate about the runtime of this machine, we are going to test it. This has an overnight charge and is on max power. Let's see how long it lasts. As you see, on this test it lasted 7.5 minutes. So there is the answer to how long a Dyson V10 will last on full power. For lots more Dyson information, please check our sites at manchesterwax.co.uk, where you can also find tool adapters and this lovely stand for your Dyson V10. Please subscribe to our channels and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.